magic tap. So if you press this one, it's chilled, cold water. Okay, so that you can drink out of, because I've drunk out of that already, it's really nice. And for the boiling one, if you can see, it won't work if you just do that, because it's got a child lock for us children in the building. So you just press the safety one and hold it down, and then you get boiling water. Okay? So be careful, because that is hot.
It's just a straight.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. We've got a little bin in the drawer here.
In the drawer.
We have a dishwasher. That's on. And this is the magic machine that makes the water go hot and cold. Magic.
And that's the fridge.
And that's the fridge. So I hope you're all happy.
Nice.
And you can I have to show you that, because if you burn yourself, we have trained you and told you not to burn yourself, so we can't see. So it's not out.
No, that's fine. I like it.
Okay.